how to set alerts on TradingView. What's going on, guys? My name is Malik, and I'm here to show you guys today how to set alerts on TradingView. This is going to be for my Top Step account. I'm already up. It's a Sunday, so start of the week. I'm already up a little bit, but for the NQ and the YM, I can show you my profit right now real quick before we get straight to it. I'm up 500 bucks on the NQ and down 50 bucks on the YM, but I still think it's going to push down for the YM though. It's just setting up. But anyways, as I was saying, let's get straight to it. So I'm going to set alert for the RTY that I think price is going to pull back. So all you're going to do is right click. You're going to come to the price level that you think price is going to go. Right click on add alert, and you'll see the price level that you want to add an alert for. I sometimes add comments. My usual comment is time to buy, and then I put the ticker symbol RTY. And also, if you want to get notification on your phone, you just go to notification and toggle down, click notification on your phone. Hit OK, and then that should be it. And your alerts are set. When price gets to that level, you'll be notified on your phone, and you'll also hear a sound on your computer. That's it for the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Show some love. You know, I'm a new YouTuber trying to get out of my comfort zone. You know, I'm an introvert and shit. So, but yeah, show some subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. If you have any comment or questions or anything like that, or any recommendation for a video you want me to make, or want me to check out any stock, Forex, stats that you want me to look at for you guys, I'm more than happy to. Leave a comment below. Let me know your opinions. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video. This is a quick, short video. I'm out. Peace.